Ella, what are you doing to the cat? Can you please let the cat go? The cat does not want to be smothered. Can I have the cat back? Give mommy the cat. Can mommy have the cat? Is that your kitty? You be sweet to the kitty? Yeah. Oh, can you just let the kitty down? Because I think you're hurting the kitty. Ella, let the kitty down. Let the kitty down, please. I think you're hurting the kitty. Can you let the kitty down? Let the kitty down. Ella Drew, put the kitten down. Now leave it alone. Put the cat down. Leave it alone. Walk away. Walk away. No! That's too rough. That's too rough. Be sweet. That's very sweet. That is very sweet. Oh. Be sweet.